In this video, I'll show you how to add a payment button on your website step by step. Step 1. Choose a payment provider. For most popular options are PayPal, Stripe, and Square. All three give you ready-to-use payment button codes. Step 2. Set up your account. Sign up on your chosen provider. Verify your business details and connect your bank account so you can receive payments. Step 3. Create a payment button. In PayPal or Stripe, you can generate a custom button for buy now, donate, or subscribe. Set your price, currency, and product name. Step 4. Copy the embed code. The provider will give you an HTML snippet for your button. Step 5. Paste it into your website. If you're using WordPress, Wix, or Shopify, paste the code into the page where you want the button to appear. Save and publish. Step 6. Test your button. Always run a test transaction to make sure payments go through correctly. And that's it. In just minutes, you can add a fully working payment button to your website, making it easy for customers to pay you online. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.